How to change your name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook in 2025. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as See More in Account Center. And now here, once you are inside the account center, simply tap on profiles. And now here in this section, simply select the profile which you want to change your name of. And now here, once you are inside this section, simply tap on name. And now here, you can just tap on your name section where you want to change. And now here, once you are done changing your name, then you can simply tap on the option labeled as review change. And there you can choose how your name you want to appear in your Facebook profile. And then you can simply enter your Facebook password to confirm it and finally tap Save Changes. But remember, Facebook only allows you to change your name once in every 60 days. So here you need to choose wisely. And that's it. That's how you can change your Facebook name in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.